Hello, welcome to my channel. It's Tarushi. Okay, so today I would like to discuss about my JEE journey that broke my heart. And आपका भी तोड़ा होगा और नहीं तोड़ा तो congratulations, you are getting an IIT seat. If you're getting an IIT seat, then congratulations to you. And let me talk about mine. I have cleared just only one exam, that's JEE Mains, and second one just it's due. Yes, so let me talk about how I compelled myself to ruin the exam. So the journey starts when I'm in the class 11th. So एक प्लॉट ट्विस्ट की बात भी बताऊंगी इसके बाद कि मैंने ना 11th में अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी. So when I started my journey, the celebration happens in every coaching if anybody passes in the coaching or gets selected with very good rank. So your motivation level is so high, and my motivation is until the class 12 January. Yes, till before my JEE Mains exam, I have that confidence that I will go to IIT. And before, with having confidence, I think that completely converted into, I think, overconfidence. But no, yaar, I have prepared very much. Let me talk about in the 11th class. I am just preparing just like a normal student, and for the plot twist, if I talk, I'm also the topper of class 10th. Not you can say topper, but yes, a very good studious student. So I am like a very टीचर की बात मानने वाला बच्चा. तो जब भी टीचर कुछ कहे तो आई एम competing according to them. I do not make any assumptions or I do not solve anything. You just say only my modules, and you could not believe me, but I have solved the same modules 3 or 4 times or more than that also. So my first mistake there. अगर थोड़ी बुद्धि यूज़ करी होती ना मैंने, अगर मैंने 1-2 बार करी होती और फिर जो मैंने 5-6 बार एक ही मॉड्यूल करी उसकी जगह अगर मैंने 10 किताबें सॉल्व करी होती ना, तो आज मेरा भी एडवांस हो ही जाता. तो अब नहीं हुआ, तो अब बता देती हूँ क्या क्या गलतियाँ करी मैंने. आप मत करना बस, ठीक है. और अगर आपको सीट मिल गई है सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर योर IIT सीट. होप यू मेक वेरी good memories in IIT. I'm getting in IT, so that's the thing. एक और चीज़ बताऊंगी बाद में, लेकिन अभी लेट्स कंटिन्यू. मैंने 11th में अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी थी. आई एम जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट, जस्ट सॉल्व एवरीथिंग ऑन टाइम, एंड yes, I am getting a steady 220-230 number in my Akash test series. Okay, in AIATS of advanced, yes, I am not getting any score. You can say that just a 30 score in just after 180. It's very bad score, you know. I'm telling you this. Let's talking about the growth period. Okay, so I'm scoring a very low, and it depresses me a lot because you know I'm always a studious student until 10, so it depresses me very much. And after even after that, I'm just going. Even बहुत सारे ups and downs भी आए थे, and मैंने सबको सफ़र किया. When you talk about the most hard times for me is the end of the 11th class. I have too many of the advanced tests and so much of the high level questions, and I'm not able to do that. I'm just scoring 20-30 in my JEE Advanced after 180 or sometimes out of 360, and that's a very bad score. My journey is going on, and yes, बैकलॉग तो ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, बट मैंने क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ करी थी क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस में. मतलब मैंने क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस में एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस कम करे. आई एम वेरी क्वाइट शाय. Many students take questions from the sir. Whenever sir gives on their own side, I always join the team whenever I have given the chance. But I am not asked for the questions from my side. If I have asked, definitely I could get more questions to do. And I got questions and tests what sir has given me. So yes, the base is quite good. You can say that. And from the starting of 12th, I'm quite serious now, and I'm saying मुझे ना टॉपर वाले बैच में डाल दिया. पता नहीं क्यों, क्या देख के मेरे अंदर. पर मुझे है ना it's very hard to survive there because they are so studious. They मतलब until I'm thinking how to do this question, they are giving answers within just 2 minutes. The sir is giving the question, their answer is on the mouth. They are in the slow speed, so it's very hard for me to join them and running at their pace. And it takes me 1 to 2 months to come up to until this speed that I am able to solving. If they are solving it in 2 minutes, I am solving it in 3 or 4 minutes. And I have practiced a lot on that. And I have also suffered from serious stresses that time, just because I'm not able to cope up with the students. I'm blaming myself that why. So I've tried my best, and you can see the hard part is going on, and yes, I'm studying with it. And believe me, in advanced test series that comes this year, AIATS of this year, my scores are taking a boost. Yes, that's a very good part for me. I have also scored sometimes 180 out of 360, and also sometimes 200. Yes, 200 out of 360 is the maximum that I have scored, and that's a very good part for me until I've scored a very good in my areas. And then yes, I'm going on with the pace, just studying. And the turning point's coming when the JEE mains is quite near. My anxiety is starting to take the pace of mine, and that's the point where my pace broke. ऐसा होने मत देना आप लोग. I broke the pace. मेरा पेस ब्रोक हो गया यार बिल्कुल. उस टाइम पे ना मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस होना स्टार्ट हो गया. एंड द स्ट्रेस, यू शुड नॉट टेक स्ट्रेस बिकॉज यू आर नॉट. जब आपने कुछ पाया नहीं तो आपको खोने का डर नहीं होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर दैट. And I'm start wasting my time watching shorts and all that. I'm not watched until my exams. Until the exams come, I'm very much in my routine. My routine is quite well. But as the exam is coming near, my anxiety is taking place within me. And it also kind of created me to lose the pace, and many of the students are completing the syllabus before time. Yes, they have completed the syllabus before November, and they are just having a second revision from November to December, or you can say January. मेरा syllabus ही जनवरी तक भी चल ही रहा था. My syllabus is just going on until January also. So मैं कर रही थी. I'm also giving test of that. I'm not scoring well. 120, 130. That's very low score. I want to be a 99% and like, so that's very bad. But फिर भी I am doing my best. I'm trying to do best. And if I'm not lose the pace that time, I am getting a score high too much. But even after that, you won't even believe this. I always believe in my God. So I say Him. मतलब मैं हमेशा है ना बिलीव करती थी. तो मतलब मैं ऐसे कहती थी कि यस, मुझे पता है कि अच्छा ही होगा. एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन, एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन, एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन. एंड द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट. मतलब जो मुझे आता है उसी में से क्वेश्चन आएगा. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव दिस, आई was given first shift, the first paper, and the questions were the standard questions. All the standard questions were there. And but there is a plot twist there. The paper was in 21st January. My birthday was on 19th January, and I lost the momentum of revision. Yes, I'm revising, but the momentum braked a little. And when the momentum braked, what happened? मोमेंटम जब ब्रेक करता है ना, तो यार मोमेंटम ब्रेक करा तो मैंने रिवीजन ढंग से नहीं करा. ठीक है, मतलब स्ट्रेस में ना रिवीजन नहीं हो पाता ढंग से. मतलब करना चाहिए आपको. इतने दिन पहली बात तो एक्सपेक्ट करना ही नहीं चाहिए खुद से. मैं पता है मेरी एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैं ना स्ट्रेटेजीज वीडियो कुछ ज़्यादा ही देख लेती हूँ. वो देखनी नहीं चाहिए। वो मेरा ऐसा मानना है, अपने टीचर से बात करो, ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेंटर। अगर नहीं है तो एक पकड़ लो और उसी से हर चीज़ पूछो, उसी पे विश्वास करो। 10 जगह भागोगे तो गड़बड़ होगी ना। तो ठीक है, इतना अच्छा करने के बाद भी मैंने रिवीजन ढंग से नहीं करा। ठीक है, जो टॉपिक मुझे आते थे, क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम देयर ओनली, एंड yes, I've scored very good, but 2-3 questions are again left just because of calculation and the topic. I know that the question will come from there, and even after that I'm not able to solve that. And अगर मैंने वो 3 क्वेश्चन कर लिए होते ना, you believe me, 12 नंबर भरते हो और मैं 99 क्रॉस कर जाती। and I am 98.4 percentiler if you don't know. And after that I was very sad because I'm not able to do the 2-3 questions, so I'm blaming myself, criticizing so much, and having a very depressive moments at that time. I should not be depressing that time. I should be like, let's improve it. Okay, it happens from every side. We cannot be every time 100% efficient because we are not a topper. Of course we are not. I'm not. इसके बाद मुझे पता था कि मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाली हूँ। Yes, I'm known. बस the mistake I did is कि मैंने ब्रेक नहीं लिया। The one of the major mistake that doomed me down. Don't do that mistake ever. जब ब्रेक लेते हो तो ब्रेक ही लेना है। You should be just chilling. Don't think about anything. Just leave whatever happened. Just leave it out. It's my own experience, so I'm telling you, because it hurted me a lot. Because why didn't I take the good break? If I have taken a good break of around, you say, 2-3 days without anything, just being chilling, believe me, I am getting so much good things to do, so much of the energy, so much of the creativity to do for the advance also. Because I'm fucking scared about advance, because I'm like, I'm not getting a good score in mains, so how will I be in the advance? First of all, don't underestimate yourself, yaar. You don't know about your capabilities until unless you explore. And I'm always running from my capabilities since 12. Since 11th also, the sir had also said that do some books if you feel that you have enough time to do. Even if I have time, I try to be in my comfort zone, just solving the same thing again. You will take me as a dumb, maybe, but I solved the same thing again, and I think right now, because I am a dumb, I should be solving more questions. Because when I started solving the advanced questions, I feel them so interesting to do, right? They are very brainstorming to do, and it opens a concept every time. So I believe if I have solved something, because I have time, great enough time to do new questions. And मैं सर से भी ले सकती थी, मैंने लिए नहीं, मेरी गलती थी वो. Take questions, new questions, do them as much as you can do. Take a break. अब चलो लास्ट बात पे आई जाते हैं. तो जेई एडवांस वाले दिन क्या हुआ? और बिफोर जेई एडवांस I watched before 3 days of JEE Advance. You should be revising. Okay, 7 days before you should be revising. The hell what I am doing, searching what chapters to do so that you can clear JEE Advance. Even the hell I know many things. I'm searching that. Can you believe this? Yes, because Vinash Kale Vipareet Buddhi, man. You should not be like that. I should have revised a book. Yes, I'm revising also, getting 2-3 hours of revision and just trying to do new things. Because even I do know that I cannot do well, perform this and all that. I'm doing that. And okay, if I do this, it's okay. I did very less easier topics before 7 days. And on the day of JEE Advance, I came to the bed at 10 and didn't sleep until 3 o'clock in the morning. I've slept 1.5 or 2 hours something, because my center is far away. Yes, so that's why I have to be like waking up at 5. I also wake up my whole family, mom also. Okay, mama, I am not getting a sleep. How will I get the exam? And somehow I managed to go there. But I'm awake, but I'm foggy. My brain is not working well. और उसकी वजह से मैंने अपना पेपर ख़राब कर दिया. पहला पेपर इतना इजी था, मैं उसके क्वेश्चंस होते नहीं हो रहे थे मेरे से, क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग कम चल रहा था, थोड़ा चल रहा था, कम चल रहा था. खुद को थप्पड़ मार के थोड़ा सा अटेंटिव मोड दिलाना पड़ रहा था. मेरे को ना हमेशा से डर रहता है कि मेरे को है ना, अगर मैं जल्दी उठूँगी तो मेरे को नींद आएगी दिन में ऐसा. और मैं 2 घंटे सोई, लेकिन मुझे दिन में कुछ नींद नहीं आई बिल्कुल भी, मतलब स्लीपी भी फील नहीं हुआ बिल्कुल ऑन दैट डे. वहाँ तो पेड़ की छाया में बैठे थे. सेकंड पेपर दिया. सेकंड पेपर बहुत टफ काइंड ऑफ था. सो उसमें इतना बना नहीं. So that's how I ruined my JEE Advance. So make sure if you are watching my video, don't make these mistakes if you are in your JEE journey. I don't want you to do that if you are juniors. And if you are seniors, then you will take me as a fool or something. ये बात काटनी पड़ेगी मुझे, ठीक है. बस I would like to say wrap up with the saying कि डेस्टिनी, अगर डेस्टिनी को आपको जहाँ लेके जाना होता है ना, वहीं जाते हो. और अभी मुझे नहीं पता मेरी डेस्टिनी ने मेरे लिए क्या डिसाइड कर रखा है, पर जो भी कर रखा है बहुत अच्छा ही होगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. अब दुख मनाने से तो ऐसे भी कुछ होगा नहीं, हायरिटी मिल नहीं जाएगी. सो अभी के लिए गुड बाय, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट विच कॉलेज आई एम गेटिंग. सो बाय बाय अंटिल देन.